KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's draw a princess. Dark brown color. First time I'm coloring its hair. Oh, look, it's shiny here.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Oh, look at her hair. Now I am coloring its crown, like yellow color and orange color. I am coloring its face, skin color. I am coloring its cheeks, light pink color. Now I am coloring in frog. First I am coloring its sleeves, dark pink color. I am coloring in frog, dark pink color. I am coloring its lower side, light pink color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Light pink color. I am coloring in frill. Now I am coloring in shoes, yellow color.
Subscribe us for more videos.